regardless if it's in a bottle or a can, I'm going to be reviewing a beer today, guys. Oh, BC's Beer Reviews. BC's Beer Reviews. BC's Beer Reviews. Well, it's another episode of BC's Beer Reviews. What's your boy BC? Well, I've got the second beer from Wayne Allen. And again, thank you, Wayne Allen, for shipping this to me to review on my beer show. And this one's another unique one. This one and the last one were both from Pennsylvania, the state of Pennsylvania, which is perfectly fine. And this one, ooh, he must know I like this kind of thing. It's Rusty Rail Brewing Wolf King Imperial Stout with coffee and oatmeal. That's right. See, this is what I'm working with today. Yep. And I actually like the can art on this one. This one's pretty awesome. So, I like it. This one is a 1 pint can. And it comes at you with a 8.2 ABV and a 20 IBU. Now, this one here, it looks like they've got a guy on a railroad line. I don't know if that's outside or if they're in a mine, but I'm assuming it's outside because they've got a wolf outside with full moon, so I'm assuming it's outside. And it looks pretty awesome. So, yeah. Now, this is brewed with Warrior from the, it's brewed with Warrior from Dominican Republic in collaboration with Warrior Project through the Commoning and College and Alabaster Coffee Roaster and Tea Company. So, yeah, so it's a collaboration one, and it's from Milfenburg, Pennsylvania. This company is. So, this looks interesting. I've never seen anybody review this online. I could be wrong. So this might be the first one ever. I don't know, but I'll check after I record this. Crack those beer can. Broke up my pint glass for this one. Oh yeah, this one's looking real good. Yeah. It's looking nice. This one's got a tan head. It's got a finger's worth of head on there. And you got a variety of bubbles in the head. You got small, medium, and large. And it's dark. It's dark. I'm seeing some redness at the bottom. Yeah. It's looking good. Oh, okay. I can't see no carbonation on here. Seeing how dark it is. Yeah, it's pretty dark. I want to say it's jet black, but it's definitely black. Got some reddish at the bottom. Okay, I'm getting that coffee off of here already. Yeah. Definitely smells like a stout. Yeah, I'm getting that oatmeal on there. There's a bit of a sweetness to it as well, coming off of this. Heck, I might even go as far as there might be some lactose involved somewhere on here. I wouldn't be surprised if there is. But I would be very surprised if there wasn't. So, being a coffee stout with oatmeal, definitely smells good. Definitely smells good. getting the slightest hint of alcohol. I mean, very slight hint of alcohol. As you can tell, the head's kind of a film now, which, ain't bad. And I ended up letting this warm up a little bit for about 20-25 minutes, so I could try to get the full effect of this stout here. Because a lot of times with these beers like this, they do have some complexity to them. So, yeah. Well, enough of the jibber jabber. Let's see how it bad boy tastes. Oh, that's nice. Definitely getting that coffee. It's a nice, smooth feel, and that's part of the oatmeal doing that. And I want to go as far as silky, but it's definitely going down smooth. Now I'm starting to get, I wouldn't say a funky aftertaste, but I'm definitely getting a stout coffee aftertaste on this. It kind of takes up the whole tongue. That's pretty much where it's lying at for me. I mean, as far as the cheeks go, I mean, I've got no problems, but it seems to be mostly on the tongue. I mean, the alcohol, you could taste it. It's kind of more of a, tap instead of a punch. You know what I mean? And which is great. I mean, a lot of people don't like stouts that have a punch to them, which is fine. I mean, that's why bourbon aged barrel beers sell so well, let alone other stouts. And since we are in October, and this seems to be perfect for this time of year, or at least the starting of the year. And I'm sure I'm probably going to have more stouts throughout the season, of the fall season and winter season. But back to this one. I like this. I enjoy this. If I have to give this one a grade, I would have to give this one a 9.50. That's right, 9.50 rating. Well, like I've said, thank you, Wayne Allen, for donating the beer to the show. And I'm happy to do it. So, like I've always said, hey, drink responsibly. Don't do nothing stupid. Peace out, brother man. Peace out, sister girl. And I'll see you guys next time here on the next BC's Beer Reviews.